Okay, today we're going to talk about the question that I'm sure is really on your mind. How do Lewis structures relate to ions? I don't know a high schooler that doesn't really have that on their mind, so I figure I'll put it to bed once and for all for you right now. Okay? So, um, when you draw a Lewis structure, let's just do fluorine. So that's 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. I'll go ahead and throw in an orbital notation. I know how kids like orbital notations. 1s2, up, down, 2s2, up, down, 1, 2, 3, 2p5, up, 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 down, down. Okay, so this is fluorine, and it fills in 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. There's only really one hole in it. It's got 7 valence electrons, so all the valence are right here. So fluorine's a pretty small atom because it only has the 1s2, and then this is its valence shell right here. So to do a Lewis dot structure, it's really simple. It's going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 electrons. So you make a big F, north, east, south, west, north, east, south. Okay? And so you see it right there. There's fluorine, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 valence electrons. Pretty simple. Now, we know that fluorine likes to gain an electron to form the fluoride ion, just like in your toothpaste. So fluoride would be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. It's going to have that noble gas configuration, so it has 8 valence electrons. I'll go ahead and do that orbital notation just so we can see how that's different. 1s2, up, down, 2s2, up, down, 2p6, up, 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 down, down, down. Do it right every time. And so there you go. Now, don't make your fluorine with 8 valence electrons around it. At this point, we realize that when it gains that electron right there, it becomes an ion, the fluoride ion, and all you do is this. Draw your F for fluorine, and then you put a negative beside it. Usually it's just the negative sign. If you want to put a negative, like a 1 there, that's fine too. Nobody's really going to get you. But when you do something like oxygen, actually here, when you do something like oxygen, which is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, up, down, 2s2, up, down, trying to get this done quick while I still have your attention. Up, 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 down. You see, oxygen is going to do, he wants to gain 1, 2 electrons. So, I'll change colors. How about that? Flashy. So, when he gains his 2 electrons like that, boom, boom, and makes the oxide ion, he looks like this. 1s2, up, down, 2s2, up, down, 2p6, up, 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 down, 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 boom. Okay? Again, you'll notice, same deal as with the fluoride ion, full valence shell, got all 8. So, but if you remember, he has gained 2, and so like that. You don't put just 2 negative dashes because, that would be unwieldy, but you need to indicate that there were 2 electrons gained to give it a -2 charge.